Hello everyone, welcomes my channel Ajay Digital World. Here I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best online earning mobile app or survey GPT, Get Paid To, website. You can earn money by just watching videos and complete online survey and get reward from them. If you want to know what is GPT website, watch whole the video till end. That very great for you. Grab the opportunities, subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites for you. Check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is gain.gg site? Gain.gg is a GPT get paid to site that pays individuals to do short assignments and offers like watching recordings, taking studies, cashback on shopping and then some. The site is moderately new at the hour of composing, having dispatched in 2018, despite the fact that they haven't disclosed their possession data. If you want, join gain.gg, link in description box. What is GPT get paid to site? Get paid to GPT sites are becoming progressively famous as they empower you to win cash online by finishing a wide assortment of undertakings and offers. Destinations work with a scope of sponsors who pay them for customer input on their items and administrations. GPT destinations at that point share these profit with their individuals. How can it work? 1. Earn. Look over our enormous determination of many proposals to finish. 2. Shop. Shop through our enormous scope of withdrawal strategies to locate the one you need. 3. Withdraw. Pull back to your preferred cash and spend it any way you like. You have numerous alternatives for procuring cash. Gigantic withdraw selection. 1. Tango card. Browse our choice of more than 100 gift cards and money out your coins to your site of decision. Regardless of whether it's Amazon, Xbox or even Walmart, we have you secured. 2. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptographic forms of money are the eventual fate of how we pay one another. Browse our scope of cryptocurrencies, and pull back over the blockchain, or through Coinbase for zero charges. If you want to create an account, link in the description box. 3. CSGOshop. CSGOshop is the focal point of virtual thing exchanging, with a huge number of skins to browse, pull back things for CSGO, TF2, and Dota 2 immediately and without any charges. I hope you all are enjoying the video and start your earning from today. If you think this is useful information for you and I can create more and more videos, please subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends. Don't forget to comment. Good luck.